Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Inventor tutorial how to drawings. So for example, I will create a simple part. Then I will draw rectangle and also a circle. Next, use extrude tools to convert into 3D. Click OK. And to move into drawings, you need to save this file. Click File, then Save. I will set the name into example 23. Click Save. After it, you can go to File, click New, and then click Drawings. So here I will use A4 paper size. We're waiting to open into Drawings. Will be show for select component for view. You can click OK. And then to insert into drawing, click base icon. Now it will be automatic text. For scale, you can click in here. Like I will set into 4:1. I will click at this point. And if you're done, you can click OK. Okay, that's it for basic Inventor tutorial, how to move to drawings. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.